I just got this over-the-door basketball hoop for my son because it has rave reviews, and I love the idea of giving him something that is screen-free and requires some hand-eye coordination in his room. So in this video, I'm going to unbox this, set it up, and show you the durability. Let's go. Now, when you take it out of the box, you'll have 3 parts and then the manual. First one is this super solid metal hoop. Now, right now it's designed so it's facing out on the wall, but once I have it all set up, it actually does have this spring right here that you can pull onto to make it go straight up, so it's more flush with the door if you want it out of the way. Next up, you have the backboard. On the front, it's going to come with a protective cover, and once you take that off, you'll see that it is beautifully transparent, and you can see that there is a screen reader right there, which will track scores. And on the back side, it has these foam pieces on each corner so it won't scratch the door. And it also requires batteries, and it has a speaker. And then in the box, you will see that it comes with 3 basketballs. So whether you want to just use one at a time or have all 3 going, it's up to you. You have your net. It even comes with a ball pump. And then you get the hardware to attach the L brackets to your door, and this shouldn't cause any damage. It just hangs over the top of the door. Now, first things first, I'm going to install the brackets, and those are going to use the shorter screws. So now those are tightly on there, and then installing the hoop is very straightforward. It only has 3 holes, and they go into these 3 holes right there, and they use the longer screws. Now, for the basketball net, it might not be the most user-friendly, so I'll take the red string, put it through the middle, and then I'll just hook it over the protruding middle of the metal, and then you just pull, and it'll hook right in. So now my hoop's ready to go. Now I have other ball pumps, but I am curious at how good this ball pump is. Just stick on the needle. Really simple little ball pump. And we're ready to play. Now my son always leaves this door to his closet open, and it's facing his bed. So to me, it's the perfect place to put a basketball hoop. So let me put it right here. And now that I have the batteries in, I can use the power on off mode button here and the volume up and down button here. Now, one thing to keep in mind before you put it on your door is to think about how wide your door is. You might actually want to install this on your door just so you don't damage it. Because while I thought at first you'd want these as tight as possible, I realize now this foam will take care of that for you. So you really just want to make sure that the screws are totally flush here so they can't scratch your door. It slides on easily, and thanks to the foam, it's fine that these were loose. That looks great. Let's turn it on.
Please select a mode.
So once you turn it on, you have 3 modes. The first mode is just how many shots you can get in 60 seconds. Mode 2 is going to take turns. The first 60 seconds is for player 1. The second 60 seconds is for player 2 to see which one gets more shots. And mode 3 is your challenge mode. It will actually level up on how many shots you need to make every 30 seconds to move up to the next level. Now, a few last things I want to share is it does tuck upright if that's best for your door when not in use. And it's all a matter of this little pull guy right here. And it'll stay in place. And one warning is it is easy to scratch. I dropped one of the screws on it when I was putting it together, and it made this scratch right here. So the paint job is not super durable, but this is pretty well built. I'm just gonna do mode 1, see how it goes.
Please select a mode. Mode 1, single scoring mode. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, break. Break, 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 break. Great.
One thing you'll quickly realize is that it's very easy to cheat this. All that needs to happen is something needs to go past these sensors right here. Often the same shot can count as 2 points, or if you just run your ball in front of that, it'll give you a ton of points. But it's pretty darn cool, and I definitely recommend it.